Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am in Bird-In-Hand, Pennsylvania, in Lancaster County, the heart of Pennsylvania, Dutch country, at the Bird-In-Hand family restaurant and smorgasbord, and I'm here for lunch. In addition to the restaurant and smorgasbord, there's also a family inn here at the Bird-In-Hand complex, as well as the stage, which features theater production. There's a little gift shop as we come in. Get some local goodies, ice cream, pastries, drinks to go, postcards, various knickknacks and souvenirs, books.
Good morning. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Are you the only ones here?
Official Bird-In-Hand food items, Pennsylvania Dutch food items. Okay, they do have a menu in addition to the smorgasbord. Just a quick rundown. Monthly specials. This is April. Okay, having a look at the smorgasbord. We have our soups today. Some clam chowder, vegetable beef soup, chicken corn soup, salad bar, and over by the soups is some hot bacon dressing. We have breads, cheeses. I'm starting over here at the condiments, but these are hot choices.
Gravy ladle.
Is the big ones down there?
What, the gravy ladle?
Chicken nuggets,
There's no in
ham
here.
balls,
I just took the last one.
roasted chicken, meatloaf, chicken pot pie, mashed potatoes, bread filling, buttered noodles, which aren't out yet. Here we have the dessert bar, various cakes, pies, puddings, apple and cherry crisp, fruit, ice cream. Side is similar to the other side of the hot foods. This one is set and ready to go, so this side is crowded. And again, some items as to what's on the other side. Okay, I'm starting off with some buttered noodles, some ham balls, and corn nuggets. Alrighty, on my first trip, the ham balls, corn butter noodles were all good, so much so that I got a little bit more of each. Tried some second round, some mac and cheese, filling with the chicken gravy, some meatloaf, a piece of bread with apple butter. A few side notes: as small a number of selections as they have here, it took me 10 minutes to get back through the line to get another helping. These plates are so hot that my hands are hurting. I'm burning my hands trying to pick them up. Anyway, let's try round 2 here. All right, the first 2 times through the buffet line, I couldn't get a piece of chicken, so it must be pretty good. I'm gonna try some ribbed and a little macaroni salad and coleslaw. So far, just about everything's been quite good. 2 exceptions. I didn't care for that macaroni salad in the last round, and while the fried chicken, I can understand why it goes so quickly. It was quite good. The ribs were dry, hard, flavorless, inedible, and for me to leave something on my plate is very unusual, but I just couldn't eat those ribs. 1 more handball, a couple more corn nuggets, some raisin bread with apple butter, and then maybe I'll hit the dessert bar. Yeah, well, maybe I'll wait to hit the dessert line and have another piece of raisin bread. Apparently a busload showed up here just before I did, and the same freaking busload I was behind in the dinner line, now I'm going to be behind in the dessert line, so I'm going to wait. All right, for dessert, some what they call cappuccino frap fluff, piece of whoopie pie, coconut cream pie, wet bottom shoe fly pie, and that's round 1. Some vanilla ice cream and hot apple crisp. I have it in a salad plate so I wouldn't have to wait in the 20-minute dessert line. There's no line to get in and get seated, but every time you want food, it's ridiculous. Let's see, where do I start? I'll start with the food. All in all, the food was not bad. There were some things that were very good. I thought the fried chicken was excellent, very juicy, very tasty. The ham balls were quite flavorful, not bland at all, but had a good taste, nice flavor. I mentioned that the low points, the ribs were inedible. I didn't like the macaroni salad very much. I didn't say anything thus far about the desserts, but they weren't anything special. The best tasting thing was the whoopie pie, and even though the dish had plastic wrap over it, it was hard, like it had been around for a while. Maybe they put back out what they didn't use yesterday. I don't know. It's very rare that I'll go to a buffet and have to stop for something to eat on the way home, but this might be one of those occasions. And it wasn't because of the quality of the food, but there's not much of a selection. There's not an amount of buffet items or tables available to accommodate the seating in here, especially when you have a busload that dumps out to see a show and hits the buffet. Well, now you're standing in line for a half hour for 1 plate of food. You want your second plate, another half hour. You want to get in dessert, another half hour. It's just, for an introvert who wants to avoid crowds of people, this was absolutely maddening. Was this worth it? If I were staying at the inn, or if I were here to take in a show, I mean, I wouldn't go somewhere else. I'm here, I'll eat. Maybe I'd order off the menu instead of getting the buffet because it might actually be faster. But I would have what's here. Will I ever come back here? No, I will not. So I will answer, was it worth it, in 4 words. Go to Shady Maple. That's my answer to was it worth it. As always, thank you for watching. Like, share, please subscribe. If you've been here, what do you think? I'm only rating on what I experienced today. Maybe if I had come on a different day, I'd have had a better or even a worse experience. I don't know. Feel free to leave a comment. And again, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.